Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be discussing 10 surprising psychology facts that everyone should know. These facts can help you improve your mental health, boost your productivity, and enhance your overall well-being. Let's get started. Fact number 1, smiling can actually make you feel happier, even if you're not feeling happy at the moment. Have you ever noticed that when you smile, you instantly feel better? That's because smiling triggers the release of endorphins, which are chemicals in the brain that make you feel happy. So, even if you're feeling down, try to smile more often and see how it affects your mood. Fact number 2, procrastination is a common behavior that can be linked to fear of failure or fear of success, as well as a lack of motivation or difficulty with time management. If you find yourself putting things off until the last minute, you're not alone. Procrastination is a common behavior that can have negative effects on your mental health and productivity. It's often linked to fear of failure or success, as well as a lack of motivation or difficulty with time management. If you struggle with procrastination, try breaking tasks into smaller, more manageable steps and setting deadlines for yourself. Fact number 3, expressing gratitude can have positive effects on mental health and well-being. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can help improve your mental health and overall well-being. Studies have shown that people who regularly express gratitude experience fewer negative emotions and are more satisfied with their lives. Try keeping a gratitude journal and writing down things you're thankful for each day. Fact number 4, people tend to be more attracted to others who display confident body language, such as good posture and eye contact. Confidence is an attractive quality that can make you more appealing to others. People tend to be more attracted to individuals who display confident body language, such as good posture and eye contact. If you struggle with confidence, try practicing good posture and making eye contact with others. Fact number 5, multitasking can actually decrease productivity and increase stress, as the brain is not designed to focus on multiple tasks at once. Contrary to popular belief, multitasking can actually decrease productivity and increase stress. The brain is not designed to focus on multiple tasks at once, so trying to do so can lead to decreased performance and increased stress. Instead, try focusing on one task at a time and giving it your full attention. Fact number 6, studies have shown that spending time in nature can have positive effects on mental health and well-being. Research has shown that spending time in nature, whether it's a walk in the park or a hike in the mountains, can have positive effects on mental health and well-being. Exposure to natural environments has been linked to reduced stress, improved mood, and increased feelings of happiness. So next time you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed, consider taking a break in nature to recharge and boost your well-being. Fact number 7, the feeling of loneliness can have negative impacts on mental and physical health, but social support can help alleviate these effects. Loneliness is a common feeling that can have negative impacts on your mental and physical health. It's important to seek out social support and connect with others to alleviate these effects. Join a club or group that interests you, or reach out to friends and family members to strengthen your social connections. Fact number 8, setting goals and creating a plan to achieve them can increase motivation and help individuals accomplish what they want in life. Setting goals is an important part of achieving success and increasing motivation. By setting specific, measurable, and achievable goals, you can create a plan to work towards them and increase your chances of success. Try breaking down big goals into smaller, more manageable steps to help you stay motivated and on track. Fact number 9, sleep is crucial for mental and physical health, and lack of sleep can negatively impact mood, cognitive function, and overall well-being. Sleep is an essential part of maintaining good physical and mental health. Lack of sleep can have negative impacts on your mood, cognitive function, and overall well-being. It's important to prioritize getting enough sleep each night by creating a relaxing bedtime routine, avoiding screens before bed, and creating a comfortable sleeping environment. Fact number 10, positive self-talk can increase confidence and self-esteem, and can help individuals overcome negative thoughts and feelings. The way you talk to yourself can have a powerful impact on your confidence and self-esteem. By using positive self-talk, you can increase your confidence and overcome negative thoughts and feelings. Try replacing negative self-talk with positive affirmations and focus on your strengths and accomplishments. So, there you have it, 10 surprising psychology facts that everyone should know. By incorporating these facts into your daily life, you can improve your mental health, boost your productivity, and enhance your overall well-being. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.